Hey guys, it's a 99 Chevy Suburban, and that is the factory trailer wiring harness located on the left hand side, and it's still factory sealed, was never in use. That Bourbon never had to haul anything, which I like. I got it used like about a year ago. Great vehicle, by the way. However, you got here right turn, yellow left turn, white ground, light green is backup lights, and brown, black would be the tail lights. Now, just in case you got a kit, wiring kit, or Harbor Freight trailer wiring kit, as you can see, that one got only 4, and reason for that is it is green right here, right turn, yellow left turn, brown taillights, and white ground. No backup lights on that kit, just in case you get confused, because that's what happened to me and I had to do some research. Well, that's about it. Hope that will help you all.